The worst.
I'm filling.
You're filling? Okay. It's cute.
Pokemon. Gotta catch 'em all. Damn it.
Let me see.
Oh, black border card.
Enjoy.
That's a hit.
Okay, don't tell me what that is. Royal Penguin Garden.
It feels like you're
When
pointing
this
at
card is
shit.
activated, add one
Fighting
penguin card.
energy.
I don't have a penguin card.
Megapod.
I don't have penguin cards.
If you pass, dual
I have a
ball,
card that I
True
cannot
Vote,
use.
Voldy, Jupiter, Meow,
I have a card that I
Onyx,
cannot use.
Reverse Hollow Lopunny, the Hollow Dragapult. This is fucking dirty as hell. Fucking clean that off with it. Alright.
Oh, that's perfect.
Alright. Fusion Strike number 2.
What the fuck? That is perfect. That is perfect.
Alright, actually, keep the fucking code card hidden.
It's adorable.
Alright, the yellow bird in the back. It's the catcher. Doesn't seem like we got anything from this one. I think it's a white border. Yep, that's a white border.
I have two pieces.
It's gonna be Mudkip, reverse hollow. No, not
Mudkip.
Okay. Mudkip's fucking cute Pokemon though.
I know, right? That Eevee.
What are you thinking? Let's go battle styles now. These don't tend to get me much, but maybe a fucking rainbow rare. That'd be amazing. Fucking rainbow rare or something.
I can reduce it all.
Oh, white card. White code. That's pulls.
31 I don't have any tokens.
1, 2, 3,
I
4.
don't have any. I have no tokens. You going for sleepover? Yeah. Oh, sweet.
Wobet, Bruno, Bronzo, Marco, Horsey, Cherubi,
This one.
Electabuzz, and
Let's see.
Hollow Octo.
Meow.
Nothing great, but we got 2 hollows, so it's not horrible. These aren't the packs that I'm really hyped for, though. There's celebrations in here that I really want. Green card. Probably means nothing. So I'm just going to kind of skim through this one. Yeah, okay. Double-Blade, Timber, Tepig, some Cobra, Frillish. Alright. Those, Darkness Ablaze.
Hi.
I'm fine.
Fucking dies.
Fucking die. Oh. Okay, next time we go to Walmart, I'm bringing my wallet so I can buy more Yu-Gi-Oh cards.
That was 4, right?
I don't know. I wasn't paying attention.
I think.
I have my
It's
Yu-Gi-Oh
not the
cards
fucking
open.
hits on the front.
By the way.
Those green code cards are not gonna be shit anyway. Yeah,
I have my
okay,
Yu-Gi-Oh
okay.
cards, by the way.
Dude, Doug Trio, Rare Fossil. Senpei, Skarmy, Choo-Choo, Funnelbee, Toxicity.
What the fuck?
The fucker just got the base and then a reverse hollow of the evolution. That's funny.
Oh my god,
This one.
bro. Andrew, I did not get an Egyptian God card.
Okay. I wasn't expecting one.
If I got one, I would have been amazed.
Dude, they're packs. 9 times out of 10, they're not profitable.
Yeah.
Well, yeah.
This one has like
We're
one.
just opening them for the hell of it.
This one has just one
Yeah.
decent card that I can make use of. That I might be able to
Get
make
some white
use
code
of.
magic out of here. Yes, sir. 1, 2, 3, 4. See those cards have dentures in the corner. Alright. Leaf Energy, Fossil, Sinsage, Simpor, Booster Wash, Pansage, Tauros, Diglett, Wovit, Mimikyu. Oh. A Houndoom V.
Holy
Nice.
fuck.
Got one good pull out of it. Darkness Ablaze never really got me much, so I'm kind of happy about that one. We're going for a Charizard here. That is the chase card here. Although they do have some other stuff. Another white code. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, Psychic, Sentry, LPC, an Ursaring, Urania, Torchic, a Starmie, Pansage, Parasect, and a Hollow Hoopa. Now that is not something you see very often. I just know where to put that. Alright. That's all these done. Hey, grab me a